Right now, keeping it local, you're watching Fox 11 News Big Break.
From the team, that's also my reaction when I learned Andy Taylor would be here on a Tuesday. Nice to have you, sir.
Good to see you.
Happy Tuesday.
Good to see you. Happy Tuesday.
So we're looking at home security today.
Yeah, actually, the whole home, smart home, and that's kind of what Roku is really getting into. You know, Roku's been around since 2002, and we know the Roku, streaming devices like this is the new 4K device, which is great. If you have a 4K television, you want to watch some of the content that's available on all the streaming services, you can watch it with this. It also has voice control on this, and basically it's super easy. You have an HDMI port on your television, you plug this in, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. Tons of free content out there as well. Plus you can watch the newscast with your Roku devices, which makes it nice. It's also now giving the ability to stream audio to Bluetooth devices. So you can actually tell it you want to listen to maybe golden oldies, and it will play your golden oldies over your device. And again, tons of free content that are out there. But Roku said we need to get into the whole welcome home theme. So they're doing that with home security. And what they offer is really a great DIY solution. This is a control hub. I'll show you that here. This controls everything. Basically via Wi-Fi, you plug it into your router. You do need to have the Wi-Fi connection. And then you can control all these other devices. This is a sensor. So you could put this somewhere in the corner of your house. And if you're not home and a sensor goes off, it could either be, the cat or it could be a burglar, and you don't want that. So again, the sensor can notify and sends the signal to that hub. It also has door sensors. Now they have a kit that has 5 different devices, including these door sensors. You get 2 of these, and one goes on the door, the other goes on the jamb itself. So if the door is open or a window is open, again, it can send an alert. Before you'd have to have these all wired, and that could be very expensive. This is all battery powered and wireless. So again, you get that great feature there of these sensors. You get 2 of those sensors, one of the motion sensors. You also get this smart plug. Smart plugs are great because you ever think, did I leave the coffee pot on? If you have an older coffee pot that didn't automatically turn off, it's a great way to it's okay, I'll just turn it off. You can turn off anything that's plugged into it. This can also be beneficial if you have a lamp that has a light that's on. You could go ahead and just turn this on so somebody will know you're at home. You can even set up times for that. And then, of course, you've got a control hub, just like you would on an alarm system. You could do it passively. So if you're home, you only want to monitor maybe the doors, you could do that.
Okay.
Or if you want to set an emergency, you could do that if you have an emergency. Or you can monitor the entire system, again, all with this. And again, all of these available only $99 from Roku. Plus you get a little sticker, so you can put the sticker on your house because that'll scare everybody away.
I will.
Some people don't know they do home monitoring. They might think, well, it's protected by your cable or your service.
Yeah, exactly.
That's not good.
And there's an app with it as well.
Yeah, so what you want to do is get the smart home app. You have the ability to do light bulbs, turn them on and off. You've got these string lights now that you could do and run underneath a cabinet. So again, all of these available now as Roku devices, and they also have cameras, so you could tie your cameras in, tie it into your big screen television, and you can watch your cameras on your big screen TV. I don't know why you would do that.
You can do anything these days,
Great stuff in the neighborhood.
All right. Andy Taylor, thank you. Great to see you.
Good to see you.
All right, Mallory, over to you.